And now we shall visit the office of Major Henry Burton, U.S. Army Intelligence.
Hello, folks. I'm Major Henry Burton of the Military Intelligence. I brought you into my office to tell you all I can about codes and secret writing. You and I, of course, can communicate with one another openly and above board. But our nation's enemies, working in our midst, must use codes. I hope to show you how to intercept and solve these codes, as well as to invent some of your own. You'll have fun while doing this, and you will also be helping your country. And everyone should learn all he can about how the enemy works. In working out codes, we have found that certain letters in the alphabet appear more frequently than others. Thus, in every message of 100 letters, E will appear approximately 13 times. T will be found about 10 times, and so on. Of course, this proportion will vary with different messages, but on the average, these letters will be used most frequently. Now here we have a secret code message which was intercepted by one of our men. Let's try to solve it by using our frequency chart. Taking note that the letters J, F, and Y are used most frequently. Now one of these should represent E. The other two are apt to be either T or A. Now everyone interested in either making or solving secret codes should have a set of slides similar to these. Of course, the ones you make at home need not be as large, but the principle should be the same. Let me show you how they work. Now you will notice there are 3 J's in this message. Now we always assume, remember, that the letter used most frequently in any code message is E. Now in this message there are other letters which appear as frequently as the code J. But we've got to start somewhere, so we might as well assume that J is meant to be E. J, E. Now the first word in this message is F, Y, Y, F, H, P. And by using our slides, we find that F is A. Y is T, T, A, H, C, P, K. Attack. And that clearly is a word. And I think we've hit on the solution of this code on the first guess. Now, by going ahead with this same method, we get E, N, E, M, Y, at O, N, C, E. Attack enemy at once. Now, by reversing the alphabet on one of the slides, or by substituting numbers or other symbols, you can make yourself an endless variety of codes. And if you come back next week, I'll show you the rail fence code, one of the first ever used by the United States Army.
Don't fail to see Shadow of the Swastika, Chapter 2 of the Secret Code.